I think that many people are under this mistaken assumption, Jews especially, that we are pacifists, or we are somehow weak. There's even a theology that developed around the concept of Jews being killed. It's a good thing that Jews should be killed. Martyrdom is holy. When we used to say we don't want to be led like sheep to the slaughter, there are some Jews that think that the only way that we should go are like sheep to the slaughter. I taught a shiur here on Purim for the writings of Rabbi Yaakov Moshe Toledano, who taught us that the whole story of Purim, the whole purpose of the story of Purim, was to teach us that even outside of the land of Israel, when Jewish life is in danger, Jews should not be afraid to bear arms and protect themselves. That's the story of Purim. That's what happened. It's not in Israel. It's not under Jewish rule. We went and we didn't stop. We didn't just wage a defensive war. You remember the story of Purim? We destroyed, mamash destroyed. It's not enough to decide, okay, we did enough, now we're safe. Safe means security. Security means making sure either that your enemy is gone or your enemy is so crumbled that it has no ability or so much fear. What did it say? Do you remember? Ki nafal pachad Mordechai alehem. That the fear of Mordechai was on the people. They were terrified. Who's Mordechai? Mordechai is a member of the Sanhedrin. Mordechai is a man who is, to us, a scholar. Esther HaMalkah, she's a queen only because she had to be. But to us, Esther was one of the holy women of our faith. But when Esther needs to step out of that role and into the role of Lech Kenosat Kol HaYehudim, go gather together all the Jews, that's what she does. Yeah, for sure we fast. And after we fast and after we pray, we then go to war.